We come back this way, Dad. Look, nandito kami sa forest again. Yan. Mag-ano kami. Yan. Tingnan nyo. So, dadaan tayo dito. Yan. Go underneath. Go inside. Oh, looks like an igloo. Look this. It's like an igloo. And this is the view. It's like a balcony. Yan. Makita dyan sa baba. Okay. Right. Ready, call? Ganda dito, guys. Very popular ito na ano, na pupuntahan ng summertime. Yan. Yan. O, tingnan nyo, guys. Yan sa baba, o. River. At saka ito, tingnan nyo. Yan. So, tingnan tayo. Hindi kayo. Tapos dito, tingnan nyo. River with the falls. Look, oh. Yeah. So, akyat tayo. Akyat tayo. Yan o. Ganyan, guys. May kunting swimming pool. Diving. Yeah. Like a falls. Come on, guys, you jump. Yan o, guys, baba. Yan o, baba siya. Yan. So, dito tayo. Yan o, ganda. Oh! Yan o. Yan yung post dyan. Parang may kunting swimming. Yan. Swimming sila dyan. Yan. So, dito tayo maglakad-lakad. There's another forest ano dito. Pwede maglakad-lakad. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Di ba ang ganda? There's another one. Look dito, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Yan. So, guys, this is the stepping stone. Ganda. Ganda, guys, diba? Yeah. And then they join the two rivers. They join. Yeah. Diba? Ang ganda. Dito tayo sa Forest River. So ito yung forest guys. Yan. Dami naglalakad dito. Very busy kapag summer time. Eh kaso lang today, it's Thursday. Not a lot of people. But in the weekend, yes. Tingnan nyo guys. Ba't na maliit lang siya, pero ano, ito. Ito yung mattress. Ano guys, oh. Ang ganda dito. Yan. Ganda. Ang ganda.
It's what I say. It's what I say. It's what I say. It's what I say.
Take me photos ka. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda. Ayan. So, dito tayo guys. Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ganda dito. Yan, river. Dito sa tabi. That's the river. It's very pleasant to walk. Maglakad-lakad dito guys. It's very pleasant. Marami kaming mga places dito talaga na maganda for walking. Guys, this is the tissue dad. Tissue. Ini guys, ang ganda dito. Dito po guys, oh. Ang ganda ng view. Yan. Diba? Yan, oh. Dito na sa rivers. River. Yan, oh. Ang ganda. Tingnan niyo guys. Yan. Dito yun sa middle ng forest. Tingnan nyo, forest na dyan. It's quite high here, Dad. Tingnan natin guys, na tayo dito. Yan. Diba? Nakaka-relax. Yung, ano, yung sound. Nakaka-relax. O, tingnan nyo. Dito pa. Little falls. Parang mga childish kami. Ayan. the stepping stone. Ayan, dito yung guys. Oh. Ito yung dadaan ko. See? At least it's not moving the rocks that... Oh! I said it's not moving, but actually... Look. Whoop. Alright, we go to that stepping stone. Oh my goodness. Look, ito guys yung inaapakan ko guys. Oh. Yan. Ano, ito yung mga maliliit na stone. So, balik tayo dito sa taas. Oop! See? Oop! Oop! That's another stepping stone. Guys, yeah. Yeah. I don't know why they close. Yeah. Look, they close, guys. Very pleasant walking down here. Guys, ang ganda talaga dito mag-walk. There's so many forests here for walking in Northern Ireland, guys, you know. Yeah. Oh, look at this. May mga river din sila. Ang ganda, oh. Very, oh, there's a bridge. Maybe that's what we're going to get across that. Yan, guys, ah. Yan. Oh, diba? Kahit ganito lang siya, pero ang gaganda ng ano dito. Ito guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo. Baka yung iba hindi pa ninyo alam. Dito sa Northern Ireland, free, snake free dito. Alam niyo yun? Wala kaming snake dito, guys. Walang mga very dangerous species dito sa Northern Ireland. Oo, kahit basahin niyo yung ano ng Northern Ireland at saka Ireland, wala kaming snake kahit na maglalakad kayo the middle of the forest or kahit saan, guys. Walang snake. Oo. So ito yung gusto ko dito kasi walang snake dito. Yan ang the bridge na. Wala kaming walang mga tarantula, yung mga spider, mga dangerous species. Wala kami dito, guys. Lalo na yung snake free talaga kami dito. Ganda daw. So that's the bridge. Ang ganda ng bridge. Tingnan nyo, guys. Very thick the wall that, isn't it? Look at that. You see that? It's very, very old. Tingnan nyo, guys. Kung ano ka patik yung wall. So which way here? Oh yeah, across the bridge. Farnell's Bridge. Yeah. So nandito na tayo sa taas ng bridge. Yan. So dito kami, diyan kami galing. Yan, diyan kami naglalakad. Yan yung ano nasa baba. No, there is no fish. I don't think there is a fish in this river. Yeah. Look at guys, oh, ang ganda. Huh? This one? Shimna River. Ang ganda, ang ganda. I'm telling people that we don't have a snake-free Northern Ireland. The whole of Ireland, guys, we're snake-free. Oo. The whole island of Ireland. Unbelievable that what other country that there is no snake? Iceland or Norway, something like that. Yeah. England. Oh, there we go, guys. In England, yeah, there is a wild snake. Yeah, not many, not dangerous though. Sabi ni Daddy Paul. Pero here in Ireland, Northern Ireland, completely snake free. Yeah. And there is no tarantula. No. Oh yeah. We'll go to the butterfly house again. The way home? No. No, first of all. So, Fred, up here?
I think that,
Or?
that would be a shorter route back.